2013 Honda Pilot EX-L with just shy of 133,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me tell you about this beautiful Pilot here. Independently inspected when we got it in. We weren't sure if it had the timing chain done. We couldn't find anything in the records. So we just did a timing chain kit, which includes the water pump. And we did a brand new alternator since we had the belt off. Tires are good. It passed inspection with flying colors. It does come with a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is good nationwide. You can upgrade that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at the website, theautoramaauto.com. That's get pre-approved at autoramauto.com. And we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right. We're not going to keep you all day. If you're pre-approved, you come in, you like it, you love it, you leave with it 15, 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day. The big dealers do it for a reason. It's to get more money out of you. We don't do it. Seating for 8, heated leather, power seats, remote start, sunroof, DVD, Astro Start in it. Yeah, really, really nice power hatch. It's really clean. You can see, again, it's the third row and with seating for 8. Got the roof, the DVD. Let's talk about price. Oh, tow package. Let's talk about price. I know you're going to find them advertised that are similar for less money. I know this. Why? Because so many dealers are going to hidden fees. There's a race to have the lowest price online, but you can't have the lowest price and make any money, so a lot of dealers are hiding hidden fees. They won't give you a grand total till you get there. Not us. Price you seize, price you pay, drive it away. Price you seize, price you pay, drive it away. No hidden fees. We do have a $149 dock fee, but guess what? Hey, Corey, give these folks a free dock fee. That's right. Price you seize, price you pay, drive it away. So let's recap. 2013, just shy of 133,000 miles, 3.5 V6, all-wheel drive, third row, seating for 8, heated seats, DVD the works, almost new tires, independently serviced, nationwide warranty, no hidden fees, fast financing. That's the Autorama advantage.